employer branding important for me? This is the question I get asked from several business owners. Hi, this is Ralsi Sharma, founder and CEO of PeopleQ, and let's understand what employer branding is. Do we need it and how can we build one? So employer branding is what your organization is understood and looked as amongst the people who are working with it or the people who are likely to join it. Now in today's time, when I feel that a business is only as good as its employees, most businesses need to attract highly talented employees, very competent employees. Now you know that employees who are competent, who are talented, they do not have dearth of any opportunities in the market. And if you are working towards attracting them, you definitely need to work on your employer brand so that you can attract them. And one important thing that we need to understand is that every organization has an employer brand. Either you work on it by choice or the one that's got created by default. And you need to understand so that you can work on it. Okay? You can improve it if required. You can really leverage it if required. And if you see the popular names in the business, Google, Facebook, they are more concerned about their employer brand because they know that only the companies where employees love them are the companies where customers will eventually love them. So they understand this, and therefore they from the very early on have worked on and continue to work on their employer brand. And if you are building a business which is going to be infinite in nature, which is going to have legacy much after the founders and the directors, then you need to definitely work on the employer brand. Okay, and how do you go about working on it? To work on your employer brand, first you need to understand what is the employee value proposition, which is like any employee that will be joining your organization, what are you going to provide them with? What are the things they can look forward to when they join your organization and work with your organization? This could be in terms of learning, this could be in terms of career growth opportunities, this could be in terms of foreign postings that you might be giving, this could be in terms of challenging work environment which will definitely help them learn. So it could be different things, but you need to understand what it is. Then you need to marry it with the things that your talent profile is looking for. So the employees that you want to attract, are they looking for the similar things? If yes, great. You need to just promote these things, proactively talk about these things that your organization possesses. If not, then you first need to work on creating a culture, an organization which provides these things which your talent profile is looking for. Because as it is said, that you attract people by the qualities you display, but you retain them by the qualities you possess. So if you do not have those qualities and you talk about it, maybe you'll be able to attract people, but whether they will stay with you or not will be a question about whether you've really worked on those quality things and qualities, and then your organization possesses them. Okay, so once you understand what your organization is providing or you want to provide, you work on creating those things, those pillars that will serve as your employer brand. These were some thoughts and tips around employer branding. Hope this helps. If you have any further queries, questions or doubts around employer branding, do write to us on consult@peopleqsuccess.com. Thank you for watching this video. Signing off, Ralsi Sharma.